let's talk quality serger thread for your beautiful BERNINA L890 serger. Now, this is something from years ago. Ever since I first put my hands on my first serger, I realized quickly that serger thread is not all created equal. This machine is a high-performance serger. This is not the place to be putting cheap, inexpensive, old serger thread in this machine. Will it work? It might. You can try it. I will guarantee that the newer threads are so much better made, but look for some of the quality brands. One of the brands of thread that was included with your serger is Mettler's Serger. And so you have a nice little get started packet here. When I thread up this serger, you are going to see me use different colors of thread just so you can see where each thread comes out on the fabric and during and in the stitch and why. It is very helpful for getting started to do just that. Like when you are stitching out your stitch book, yes, you can do a stitch book on your serger. This is not the time to pull out old crusty thread because that's the yellow that you have or that's the blue that you have. Go ahead, treat yourself to fresh thread. Now, I do have a video that we have talked about throwing out some of the older threads because when you start to use good quality threads, you tend to not use the ones that are over here because you realize how much smoother, less lent that these threads will be. We're going to put links below where you can get good quality serger thread, and so you don't have to struggle. This is not the time and place to struggle. I think we've come far enough in our lives that we know that when we use quality products, we get quality outcomes. So take the time. There are great decorative threads that you can get. The companies are very well known that you can get serger threads from that are decorative. But when it comes to just good quality construction thread, don't skimp when you're buying threads for this beautiful serger. It's kind of like when you drive a sportier car, it recommends the premium gas and it makes a difference. So this is your premium gas for your sports car. I think you'll notice once you get started using it, you won't want to compromise at any point during your serger journey.